coffee today. It is 9:59 in the morning.
Something before, even though you're in the middle of that. So, no, that's fine. Can't you just, can it be part of it? The 28th. It's a Tuesday.
28th, okay.
She's only working Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay.
So she might have to change the appointment. Just saying.
That's fine. Okay. Creamer in. How long did you have this sitting here and may need more ice?
Just for a few minutes. I just put it here. Want me to add more ice?
No. So it's a little bit of a sad day in my house, like, you know, not crazy or whatever, but my great aunt, Lydia, who was like 94, passed away. She is my grandma's sister. So officially now, my grandma has no other siblings that are alive. And that's really sad.
I think she knows it.
Yeah, and I think she knows it too. Cause my mom told her this morning, and she immediately grabbed for a picture that she had of her and her sister that was beside her bed. So if you could just keep Lydia in your prayers, that, you know, she makes the journey safely to heaven, and that if you could keep my grandma in your prayers, because, you know, she's got no siblings left. So that's really sad. Yeah. So that's all I want to say. But other than that, it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day.
What a difference a day makes.
I know. We have our coffee.
You know where your hair elastic is?
On the counter in there. I fell asleep. I went into the TV room because my mom went to help Naughty, and I was just ready early today. So I went in the TV room, and I was putting on a book, and I fell asleep. I was out cold, and the dog, when my mom came back in, woke me up. So, thank goodness for hope keeping me. Thank goodness for hope keeping me safe, because I would have no idea, and then, you know, if it was a murderer or something. So, thanks, Hope. Hi guys, it is 12:54, and I'm on my machine for the first time today. I already got my step goal of 5,000. I'm over that actually, but I'm trying to get to 10K today. Hey Mom?
Yes.
Sully's at the door.
I hear him.
Okay, I just want to let you know. So I'm trying to get to my goal of 10K today. So I set a timer for an hour and see how much I can get done. Oh, so the time is 5:36 p.m. and I am heading outside because I was texting Cassidy and she was like, oh, did you get a chance to go outside yet? And I was like, no. And she was like, you still have a few hours of sunlight left. And I was like, yeah, I know. And so she's my accountability buddy to make sure I get some vitamin D today. So thank you, Cassidy. Hope, leave it. Birds just fly by everywhere. Good job, Hopi. Good girl. But yeah, she's outside. Maddie's outside. Sully's outside. Everyone's outside. But there's like debris everywhere because we had a storm yesterday. So there's like little sticks and the flagpole is down because Maddie, don't go under the house. Ugh. She likes to go underneath the ramp and I don't know why, because she gets all dirty. Hi, Hope. Hi. What are you doing? Come here. Oh, you went to the bathroom, Sully. Good job. Say hi, Hope. Getting some quarantine fresh air. Here's Sully. Hi, Sully. Hi, Hopi. And there's Maddie underneath there. Can you see her? There she is. Hi, Maddie. Hi, everyone. Oh, don't mind the pooper scooper, but when you live in a house with 3 dogs, you need one of those. Unfortunately, I cannot pick up the poop myself, so somebody else has to do it. Here's Hope, sitting underneath her favorite tree. You watching the birdies? You watching the birdies? Yeah. What a good girl. What a good girl. Hopi. Hi, sweetheart. What are you looking at? I don't see anything. Oh, I should show you my mom's flowers. They're so pretty. Hold on. Excuse me, Maddie. But yeah, this is our house. If you've never seen it, we have like 2 walkways for me. One that goes to the pool. 2. But look at these flowers over here. We got some yellow ones. And we got pink ones. Yeah. Look at it. Hopi, come here so I can get your picture and a clue flowers. Leave it. Good girl. That's it. That's it. She's like the neighborhood watch. Okay. Oh well. I guess I can't set it up because there's not enough surface area up here. I don't know. I wish we like... I can't wait for the summer though because this tripod has longer legs and I have the one that I got from Inside for like sit down videos, so I can't wait for like the summer for when we go in the pool and we can film stuff, because I could do like a video on like how I get in and out of the pool, and like I could do a video like how I get in and out of the car. That'll be a good one too. I could do like a whole mobility series on my video because I have limited mobility. I think that'd be kind of cool. Because like, you know, whatever. And then when we get back to the gym, could bring my tripod, film a workout. I would obviously, well, I don't know if it's obvious, but YouTube, you can't use certain music because you get copyrighted, which it's stupid, but I guess when you want to make money from YouTube one day, you need to not use music. So if I have the okay from my trainer, I'm obviously not going to bring in the big tripod, but if I bring in this one that I have my phone on right now, which is the tabletop size, and I put it on the, like, we have like a workout bench that we use sometimes, and if I put it on the workout bench, like where she puts her phone, and I just film me and I don't film anybody else, I think that'll be okay, because people film workouts in the gym all the time. And I think that would be a cool series on my video too, or on my vlog too, to see what we do in the gym. And like she does like little snippets here and there for like my Instagram, and she videos me and stuff, but I think like doing like an actual video where like it's an actual workout, I think that would be really cool. And then I could do like a different editing style too. Like I can edit it and then put like a voiceover and put music and put like titles and transitions and a whole bunch of stuff. So it might take me a couple of days to edit it, but I would be totally willing to do that. Yeah, I don't know, but it's just been kind of a weird day. Like I said earlier, my great aunt passed away yesterday. So, but I just found out this morning because I was sleeping when it happened. And I don't know, I just feel bad because like my grandma's all alone now. She has no more siblings. I mean, she has us, but like, you know, she has no one really. But then it makes, well, I mean, you know what I mean. Like she has no immediate family left. Like no siblings, no parents, obviously. But you know, you just have to look at it as my aunt or my great aunt was 94, something like that, 93 or 94. So she lived a really long life. But it just kind of makes me sad because her and my grandma, up until my grandma got sick, and then, you know, everybody just started getting older, but her and my grandma were super close. And I think, I really, like we said this morning, I really think that my grandma knew that her sister had passed away, and keep asking my mom, like, how's my grandma, you know. So, it's just sad. And then I don't even really know how the services are gonna go because of this whole virus thing, because everything is like closed and all the churches are closed, and you know, they let you do like cemetery stuff still, like they let you bury the person, but I don't know, so it's really sad. But yeah, just makes me think that's all. But I'm enjoying this beautiful sunny day outside after we had such a rainy day yesterday. Huh, Maddie? And I think the dogs are enjoying it too. But I'm gonna go in soon because then it'll be time to have dinner, watch Father in Autism, and then get ready for bed. I love watching Fathering Autism. It's like a good way to like. It's almost like a show that I look forward to, you know. And I have a lot of people tell me that like my videos are a part of their day too, like their routine, and I think that's really cool. So I just want to thank you guys, you know. Especially during this like quarantine, I'm trying to upload as like much as I humanly can. But let me know if you guys think that you guys would want me to do like a YouTube live stream. I mean, like maybe I could do it like outside if it's like a nice day, cause like my house always seems to have something going on, whether it's like people, but then again I can go in my room too. So let me know, or like let me know if you want like different filming spots too, cause like I could set up in my room. We still have that set up from when we did my sister-in-law, or my sister-in-law's bridal shower, so I could film in front of that. So yeah, but hold on, I gotta see what time it is. So that's weird. According to my chair, it says it's 5:55 p.m. But according to my phone, it's 5:49. So I'm gonna stay out here for another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna watch Fathering Autism. And they're doing like a quarantine spirit week kind of thing. Yesterday was Crazy Hair Day, so that'll be fun to see the video today. And then today was Mismatch Day, but I didn't really remember to do my hair crazy or leave it crazy or have anything to mismatch, so I think I'm going to try to get in. One of the days is like Represent Your State Day, which I don't really know if I have any Connecticut gear. My sister went to the University of Connecticut, but I'm not sure if she has any more gear left, like a sweater or something, but we'll see. I don't know. I might like have my dog like dress up instead of me, cause like who doesn't love a cute dog rather than me, you know? I don't know. But I'm just enjoying the day, and I hope you guys are too. And I hope you guys are okay, and if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My comments are always open, and if they're whatever reason turned off, because I went through some of my older videos the other day, and I found out the comments were turned off or whatever, which is fine. I don't know who does it. I don't know if it's YouTube who does it, or if it's, I know I certainly didn't do it, but whatever. But anyway, if you can't reach me through the comments, please always either email me or you can message me on Instagram. Or if you're one of my close friends, you can text me my phone number too. So, yeah. But I think that's about it for my day. It's kind of boring, I know. But yeah. I will see ya tomorrow. Bye.